Spelt, Triticum spelta, also known as dinkel wheat or hulled wheat, is a species of wheat that has been cultivated since approximately 5000 BC. Spelt was an important staple food in parts of Europe from the Bronze Age to medieval times. Now it survives as a relict crop in Central Europe. Benefits: Spelt is a source of carbohydrates, which is the body's preferred source of energy. Adequate carbohydrate intake also performs protein-sparing functions, therefore it allows dietary proteins to perform other important functions in the body. Spelt contains fiber. Dietary fiber may help to maintain weight by restricting calorie intake, regulate the levels of cholesterol and glucose, as well as maintain colon health by ensuring adequate bowel movement. Spelt has dietary fiber, responsible for helping to transport food through the digestive tract, speeding up the absorption of nutrients and reducing illnesses such as constipation, bloating, cramps, excessive gas, diarrhea, and more serious gastrointestinal problems such as ulcers. Spelt helps LDL cholesterol levels in the body because it can interact with cholesterol absorption processes and inhibit cholesterol absorption from foods. The elimination of LDL from the body promotes a healthy balance of fatty acids in the body. Spelt is full of niacin, which is one of the essential vitamins. It helps the endocrine system, which is extremely important for overall health and functioning, and plays an important role in the body's adrenal glands, particularly in the production of sex hormones. Maintaining levels of niacin in your diet is a wise choice. Spelt is high in fiber, which is important for lowering cholesterol levels in the blood. The high content of fiber in spelt means that it may facilitate healthy digestion in a major way. Spelt has an impressive range of essential minerals that are necessary for bone health. Possible side effects: Spelt is an ancient grain related to what that contains gluten. People who are truly gluten intolerant should react badly to spelt. People who are not gluten intolerant should tolerate spelt just fine. Spelt contains a significant amount of phytic acid. Phytic acid reduces the absorption of minerals such as iron and zinc. This may be concern for vegetarians and vegans, who get most of their minerals from plant foods. Spelt contains gluten, so it's not a good choice for people with gluten intolerance or wheat allergy. It contains lectins, which are a group of proteins found in many foods, and this high intake has been linked to damage to the intestinal lining, digestive discomfort, and autoimmune diseases. Spelt is a grain with a substantial level of gluten. It should not be consumed by individuals with celiac disease or gluten intolerance, as it could trigger some allergic reaction. Spelt contains some anti-nutrients including phytate, which inhibits the absorption of minerals such as iron and zinc. Quantity recommendations: Spelt is a cereal for which about 6 to 11 servings are allowed in a day. A serving of spelt is 1 cup. It is beneficial to diversify the diet by consuming other cereals and sources of carbohydrates. My recommendation is to check if you have an allergy or intolerance to spelt with a specialist, and if not, consume it every other day and not exceed the consumption of 100 g per day. The average woman between 19 to 50 years old needs about 6 1-ounce equivalents of carbohydrate-rich foods each day. A 19 to 30-year-old man needs 8 ounces, while a 31 to 50-year-old man needs 7 ounces. Each slice of spelt bread counts as a 1-ounce serving, as does 1 cup of breakfast cereal, half a cup of cooked pasta or rice, 1 tortilla.